Okay, first I go to cut out in picture, cut out of picture by color selection. I change this to 4, change this to all similar areas, and click the black. Hit next, select opposite area, done. Now I'm going to delete this bottom layer on the right hand side. It leaves this. So what I did was I added the TH over your TH because that was so thin it wasn't going to show up well, so it was too small. I recognize that text is, of course, Times New Roman, and I just drug it up, put it over the top of your TH, just like that. And then I clicked on the big 50th, and I'm just going to change it to the same color as that TH. So I went to Paint and Color Effects, Fill with a solid color, and then I clicked on the TH that I put there to change the color. Then I zoomed out. I went to cut out in picture, cut out with a cookie cutter shape, and I made this into one picture instead of those 2 layers by cutting it, hitting next and done. Then I took it back over to your original, zoomed out, drug my picture up, and dropped it in place. That's how I made the resolution appear better than it was, because it had that black edge. So by me changing the color, the whole color, to a new solid color, it made that black edge turn into gold, the gold color as well, which increased or made it appear that the resolution was increased a little bit. So I'm going to put that there for now. So next, I worked on the essence here, and all I did was I cropped out, because if I turn this whole thing to gold, let me show you. If I put the little TH there, and if I change this whole thing to gold, you would lose the ribbon effect. So that you wouldn't lose the ribbon effect, I went in with cut out and picture, cut out a picture on my own, and I went to by tracing on my own, and all I did was zoom in, and I'm not using a mouse for this, so that shows you how easy it is to do this, and I just cropped out just that ribbon by going around just like that. But I'm going just inside of the black area so that I'm cutting out that black edge, and I'm just getting the ribbon. Continuing just inside of that black edge all the way around, and you just click, you pull a line, and then you click so that you're going just along that edge. Every time I stop, I'm clicking once, dragging and clicking. Actually, I didn't have to drag that far on that part, so I'll go here. Then when I'm done, I click the green arrow, and I can make some adjustments, but I did it quickly just to show you how I did it. But I would have, you can go back and correct that by clicking your back arrow, and then I just, wherever you put your cursor, it turns the line pink, and you can adjust it, pull your line down exactly where you want it. When you're done again, click yellow. I still see an area, so I'm going to go back in and get that right in here. Pull that down a little bit. Check it again. Okay, that looks pretty good, so I'll go ahead and hit done. And now I can change this essence to the new gold, and it leaves that ribbon looking shiny. Then all I did was once again cut this out, cut out a picture with the cookie cutter shape, drag that up like that, pulled it across so that I was just getting those words, hit next, done. Now I'm going to go back to this one, and I'm going to drag my new essence, click once. Actually, I don't even have to click. I can just drag this up just like it is, bring it up here, superimpose it over what you have there and the one that you put on, resize it just like I did the lower one. I'm going to take that TH out in a minute though. So now I'm going to hit this little puzzle piece to ungroup, remove that big TH right here by clicking on it and hitting delete. Oh, I left it in there. There it is. All right. So now I have the TH gone. Then I just deleted the last layer on the right, which was the original. And there you have it. Then I saved this as a JPEG. And how I changed it up so that I changed it to the metallic look. I just grouped just these two layers, the circle and the essence without the ribbon. I hit the little puzzle piece to group them. I went to Paint and Color Effects, fill with the gradient. Scroll down in this top layer until I got to the gold bars. Oops, going too fast. If I click slowly, you'll see it. There it is. Click that one to change it into gold bars. And then scroll down a little bit and click in Style to change it to that shine. Then I just put a quick shadow by going to Special Effects Shadow. Clicked on Drop a Shadow and then move that shadow over so that it was just barely showing. Hit done, then I save that as a separate copy. And that's how you do it. So you have the software now. If you download that software, follow the example, the installation sheet exactly like I told you. It will be this program, and then all you have to do is follow this video, and it'll show you how to do that over and over again. All right. And please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.